7.
Yes.
Merong bisita, very special guest ang Party Pilipinas.
Oo, Kuya Germs, na dinala nila all the way from Korea para makapag-guest sa Party Pilipinas.
Yes, at hindi lamang yun ang happenings, kundi pumunta muna sila ng SM Mega Mall.
Ayun.
Tinumog sila ng katakot-takot ng mga Pinoy fans.
Sobra! At ang dami daw nabentang mga albums nila.
God,
At hindi lang doon, meron pa sa SM.
Bago pumunta sila doon, nagpunta muna ng club.
Okay.
At doon din sinalubungan sila ng kanilang mga Pinoy fans.
Naku!
At just imagine, ano?
Talagang sinundan sila, Kuya
And then
Germs.
after that, bumalik naman sila sa SM North naman.
At ganun din, napakainit ng pagtanggap ng mga fans
Benta ang kanilang album, ano, na release dito ng Universal, of course, ano. Nais ko rin pasalamatan itong, ito bang isa nating nagbalik showbiz din?
Sino?
You know Ron Hinares?
Oh, yung gwapo yun, di ba?
Nung araw.
Hanggang ngayon, gwapo pa rin.
Mas matindi ang pagkagwapo niya ngayon.
Talaga?
Oo.
Mas gwapo ka daw ngayon.
Oo, totoo yun. Alam mo naman kailangan tayo manlagis dyan. And then, itong album na ito talagang bentadong-bentado, no?
Sobra.
At hindi pa sila gumagawa ng concert.
Naku, can you imagine pag bumalik sila para gumawa ng concert, mas lalo na.
May balita nga ako, inaayos na yan, ano?
Hihintay natin yan, Kuya Jerry.
So, i-welcome po namin dito sa Walang Tulugan at kami nagpapasalamat sa buwan na ito ng Abril ay bisita natin sila.
Yes,
no?
Kuya Jerry, we're very
Sasamahan
honored.
tayo ni Hero at saka
At
ni
ni
Martha
Martha Joy.
para siyempre sabitan muna sila ng Play,
Yes.
of course. Let's all welcome sa Walang Tulugan ang
UK!
We are UK! Ayan. Welcome mo namin. And thank you very much sa mga fans na narito.
Thank you!
Wow!
Thank you so much for
Talagang
coming.
Salamat po.
Nakakagulat, ano, ha? Thank you very much sa inyo.
Salamat po. Salamat po.
Yan.
Welcome
Nakita
to
nyo.
the Philippines.
Puro mga gwapo, no? Ha?
Oh, so-
They're all handsome
Yes,
like
all
me.
young and
Thank
handsome
you.
gentlemen.
You're more handsome than we
You're
are.
handsome too, and
Oh,
you're also very maganda.
Oh, thank you.
Maganda. And how about Martha?
Also, pogi and maganda.
Yes, you got that.
Okay, individually, you introduce
Yes.
yourself one by one. Okay.
Yep, your names.
Hey everyone, my name is Kevin. Mahal kita.
Oh, no.
Kapuso.
Yes, Kapuso.
Okay, next.
Hi everyone, my name is Tongo from New Kids. Nice to meet you.
Alright. Next.
Hello, my name is Kisal.
And the other one.
Hi, my name is Kibam. Nice to meet you guys.
Next.
Hello everyone, my name is Eli from New Kids. Nice to meet you.
Wow. And
Hi everyone, my name is Sion. Nice to meet you.
and
Kumusta kayo? I am Alexander from UKIS.
and of course I'm Kuya Germs, the master show.
Come on, yeah. I wanted to ask you, yes, how did you guys feel the first time you encountered your fans here in the Philippines? So many Filipinos love you.
Yes.
How does that make you feel?
When we first got into the airport, we got off the plane and we were walking to get our bags and all our fans were there. So we had this shiver that just went down our spine and we're like, oh, it's gonna be a good time in Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah, to be honest, actually during the airport there was like a lot, but not as much as we thought in the mall. When we go to the mall, like everybody was yelling and screaming. Wow, fantastic fans! Thank you so much.
And you know what? You know what? Now in the Philippines, it's summertime.
Yes.
Yeah.
But your fans is more hot.
Yes.
Oh, hi.
Okay, let's talk about your album, okay? And again, this is released by Universal here in the Philippines, okay? So, how many songs included in the album?
Overall, there are 14 songs.
Okay.
And
Actually, this album is released in the Philippines, so we're really happy to know that. And this album is our first official album. So before we only let out singles,
Okay.
but this is our first album with the title song Bingo Bingo.
Wow.
And we're gonna perform and promote all of our songs in Philippines as well.
Do you write your own songs?
Not in this album, but we plan to in the future.
Oh, that's good. What does UKIS mean? And how did your group start?
UKIS means it stands for Ubiquitous Korean International Idol Superstar.
Oh.
So we're international. Alexander's from Hong Kong. I'm from
Okay.
America. Kevin's from America, and Tongho studied in China.
Oh, okay.
So we're an international group, and actually we were all practicing in our own country.
Yes, yes.
I was actually in China at the time. Tongho was in China. Kevin was here in Korea as a trainee.
Okay.
And we were just practicing, and then we just formed. Like
Oh.
it's fate.
Yeah, and our dream, like our name, International Superstar, we hope that we could be like internationalized and everywhere in the whole world, and that's why today we are here in Philippines.
Yeah, right. Oh, Martha, you want to ask any question? Right.
Well, of course, this is your first album. When you were recording it, how did it come about with all like splitting up of the parts and who would take what song?